Today I'm going to show you how to create this pink and silver half-cut crease. The glitter is so sparkly and pretty, but will get everywhere, so be prepared. After priming and setting the eyes, I'm first sweeping a matte true pink into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow. This is our transition shade. I'm also using light flicking motions towards the tail of my brow, following the angle of my lower lash line to elongate the eye. Next, I'm switching to a smaller, denser brush and deepening the crease with a matte neon pink. I'm bringing it pretty high up because I want it to show when I cut the crease, and my eye shape works best with a high cut crease. Switching back to the big fluffy brush, blend the pinks together. Deepen the crease further with a matte, muted raspberry. Use a very light hand, picking up just a bit of product at a time, then blend into the pinks. Now I'm cutting the crease with a silver glitter liquid eyeshadow. I like to occasionally look up, allowing the glitter to transfer, and use that as a guideline with a smaller brush for precision. This will prevent any unwanted transferring later on, although let's face it, it's glitter. There will be glitter all over you and anyone you come in contact with for the rest of the day. You will still find glitter on you several showers later. This was my first time using a liquid eyeshadow, and it was easier to cut the crease with than I thought. The product built up well and dried down fast, but not too fast. But you can just use concealer and pressed eyeshadow. Work with what you've got. Transition to the outer corner with a bright bubblegum pink with a silver sheen. Go back in with more raspberry to intensify the outer V. Make sure it's nicely blended. Highlight the brow bone with a soft, sparkly, opalescent pink. Clean up any fallout. The loose powder I had on really helped to catch most of the glitter. Sweep the matte light pink all along the lower lash line. Add the neon pink on top in the outer half of the eye. Concentrating on the base of your lashes, apply the raspberry. Be sure to connect to the upper lash line. Blend into the pinks. Buff out any harsh edges with a clean, fluffy brush. Highlight the inner corner with the opalescent pink. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.